Let's learn how to search for articles using JSTOR. JSTOR is a full-text online database. When your academic institution subscribes to it, you're given searchable access to thousands of articles from academic journals and even some primary sources and books. It's a great resource for your humanities and social science research in particular. Let's talk about how to get to JSTOR first. To use your institution subscription, make sure you're connected through your institution. I'm going to connect to JSTOR through my library's website, which will allow me to access it thanks to a proxy server. Okay, great. Here we are at jstor.org. Let's search for something. Let's say you've been assigned to write a paper on Jane Eyre, and you need some scholarly articles to inform your point of view. Let's see, over 6,000. That's a lot of results to wade through. Let's go back to the home page and try to refine this search a little bit. Let's click the Advanced Search button and use that interface to narrow things down. If you're searching for a particular phrase, you can type it in quotes, just like when you do a Google search. That will give us results relating specifically to the novel rather than other random, unrelated Janes and Eyres. Here are some other parameters you can refine if you so desire. What type of item are you looking for? What date range do you want? Maybe you're most interested in primary sources or in recently published articles. You can edit the date range here. But let's talk real quick about using multiple search keywords together. You can connect them using Boolean search terms, and, or, and not. Here's a quick graphic on Boolean search terms. And will search for results that fulfill both search criteria, A and B. Or will search for results that fulfill either A or B. And not will take away any relevant results that contain references to another specified subject, A not B. You can use that if you want to avoid something, or even use it after the fact if your search keeps coming up with a topic you're not interested in exploring right now. Boolean search terms are a really useful way of refining a search. You can use them on many other scholarly databases. So let's perform a Boolean search for Jane Eyre and feminism. Great, 923 search results. That's fewer than 6,000. Now take a peek at the search bar. See those parentheses between your terms? You can type your searches like that and perform Boolean searches without going through the advanced search options. Maybe you want feminism but not post-colonialism. Let's try Jane Eyre and feminism in parentheses and not post-colonial. JSTOR's parentheses work like the parentheses you learned about in math class in that the operation in parentheses will happen first and together. This is a search for Jane Eyre plus feminism minus post-colonialism. So there you have it, searching for useful articles on JSTOR. Now you know how to use the advanced search option, how to use quotes, and how to use Boolean searching to refine your search as much as possible. Try it with other subjects and even with other databases, as many of them will work in a similar way. Happy searching!